You may not have done meditation for memory elsewhere. We conduct meditation in all our guided memory workshops, and we believe that it does help in getting better results. Before taking the actual memory meditation, know a little bit about it. A specially guided meditation for memory is always a boon for people who are aspiring to improve their memory-related skills. The reasons are as follows. There are strong scientific evidence that suggest that meditation in its various forms affect the brain from the perspective of neural strengthening. A form of meditation where we experience thoughts as they come without giving deliberate reactions is like a state where you are fully awake and on the other hand are also in the state where your subconscious is active the way it is active during sleep. That is why both attention and consolidation aspects of memorization can be helped with meditation. This form is a type often categorized as mindful meditation by some scholars, although I just call it memory meditation. Regular practice of memory meditation can help you develop memory skill, especially for consolidation in the permanent memory. Your ability to attend and recall are also markedly improved. Here is the meditation session for you. Follow the instructions with cool temperament and proceed. Be in any comfortable posture, standing, sitting, or lying down. What matters is the relaxed physical state. Prepare yourself for mental relaxation. Close your eyes. Keep breathing normally. Follow all my words being applied as myself in you. I feel that a light source is there in front of my forehead. It is entering my mind from the front side. My breathing is helping the movement of light. The soft music is helping it to spread inside my mind. It is reaching every neuron in my brain. All the links between neurons are getting powered. My memory is getting organized. All the cells in my brain are feeling clean, tidy, and healthy. All the nooks and corners of my mind are feeling enlightened. Everything is simple for me. The power is working for me. I am also ready to share it with the world. Yes, it works. Now be mentally silent and let the power absorbed start working on its own. Now open your eyes slowly and feel the change. Remain silent for some more time before you start suggesting the changes to yourself. Next, we shall learn about memory pledge.